Welcome to the channel. In today's video, my brother is going to install one piece of this vinyl film protection for his 2022 Honda Goldwing. He bought a kit from Tank Slapper. It's clear vinyl film. It's supposed to cover the headlight. There's a piece that's supposed to cover his dash. And then for the mirrors. Well, the mirrors don't fit because he changed out the mirrors, I guess. He had a hard time trying to do the headlight. He couldn't get it to stick very well, so he got mad and it's off. So the only part in this video that he's going to be installing is for his dash. So we'll see how it goes. And on with the video.
Well, I'm back over in my garage again. Today I'm going to be putting on a vinyl cover for the dash on the 22 Goldwing. Quite honestly, I thought the vinyl was going to be the way to go, but I actually still think I prefer like the other tempered glass ones from I was kind of hoping like Speedo Angel would make one for the Goldwing. Maybe they will eventually, but the vinyl wrap definitely was a bigger pain than anything else. But you'll see how it went and the outcome. It doesn't look too bad, other than the fact that I had there's some kind of film on it on one side, and I think I actually had it on there before I did it. I should have done it much earlier, but you know how these things go. It's a rider bike, so hopefully it just won't damage up anymore. So that'll be good. All right, when I bought them, it comes in a tube just like this. It's from Tank Slapper. Basically, you get this. I did order a. It comes with like a little thing of Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo. You put so many drops in with so many ounces of water, so that way you can slide it around. I also ordered a softer squeegee so you can squeegee it out better. Hopefully. I'm really nervous about doing this, but we'll see how things go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try to put the dash one on and see how this goes. Basically, I just spray this down, then spray both sides of this and try to squeegee it out. Okay, well, I do have it on now. It turned out okay, as you can see. You can see it there on the edges a little bit. Well, I'm not entirely sure how I like it. I almost prefer like the little tempered glass ones I used to get for from my Triumph and stuff. I prefer that over these vinyl wraps. The vinyl wraps are a pain in the ass. But it's on there, so it doesn't look half bad. Let's see how it holds up and how it looks. And I mean, it looks pretty good right now, so we'll see. All right, thank you.
Okay, that was a quick, short little video for the vinyl film that my brother put on his dash of his 2022 Honda Goldwing. He didn't put the rest of the kit on. Like I said at the beginning of the video, he had some issues. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified of when I put up new videos. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Quick little video. He really didn't go into how to put on vinyl film. Everybody's seen how to do stuff before. It's basically like tinting your windows. It's basically like putting decals on the side of the cars. Okay? Spray some stuff on it, squeegee it out. That's all you gotta do. I say that's all you gotta do. But you all know, it's a pain in the ass a lot of times trying to do that stuff. But anyway, just leave a comment and we'll see you next time on Roy's Moto Ventures. Everybody stay safe out there. Bye.